Hi, this is Meeta. This is a brief overview of the rental income and expense tracker. The first sheet is the summary sheet, and here you can enter your name or company name. The next is the column where you will enter your property addresses. These help to associate each property address with the property code. The other columns, rent amount, tenant, phone, move-in date, renewal date, and deposits, are optional. You can enter them for your own records, but they're not necessary. As you can see, here we have all the properties listed out, and the rental income, fees, laundry, parking, storage. All of these amounts get pulled in from the other property worksheets and are summarized in this sheet. So you get the total income for every property. If you go down further, you have the expense categories and the expenses listed for each property, which are again automatically pulled from the different property worksheets. Further down, you have the total expenses and your profit and loss for each property. There is also a graph over here that shows you a comparison of all your properties with the total income, expense, and profits for each property. Now we go over to a property worksheet. Over here you will notice that the address is being pulled in from your summary worksheet over here, so you do not have to enter it again. And here I have filled in some sample data. So you can click on the category and choose the income category. Over here we have it as rent. If we go down and enter a date, say March, and then enter another income, for example parking, enter the amount, say $20, and you can go on and so on and so forth. Keep entering the categories, say another rent, enter 1,000, enter the date, and over here you can also enter your tenant name, the rent due date, the rental start and end dates, and the deposits. This is if you have short-term rentals, and you can enter the information over here as I have in this line right here. You also have a column for any notes that you would like to keep. Over to your right is the expenses section, and as you can see, you can enter the expense category. There is a drop down button, and just enter whatever the expense category is. You can just choose it from the drop down button. You can enter like date, click on the drop down button, choose some expense like cable, and for $20, and that's it. And if you now go over to the summary section, you will see all the rent, the income fees, and the expense categories have all been summarized from the first property. So this is a brief overview, and there are 7 properties in the standard workbook, and this can be customized for even more properties. And thank you for watching.